Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and happy Tablescape Tuesday. The ladies of elegance are here to give you that holiday tablescape inspiration. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. I've started off with a beautiful white creamy tablecloth. Then I've come in with a sheer gold runner. On top of that, I have some golden placemats that I picked up at Home Goods some time ago, and then I'm using a Dollar Tree snowflake placemat on top. Next, I'm coming in with some Dollar Tree dinnerware, and on top of that, I have a beautiful white and gold poinsettia saucer that I also picked up from Home Goods. For my centerpiece, I'm coming in with some green garland that I've decorated with some gold accents and gold poinsettias. In the center, I'm placing Father Christmas and gold candle holders with white candles. So sit back and relax while I finish putting this beautiful white and gold tablescape together, and I'll meet you at the end. To complete this look, I came in with some gold beaded snowflake coasters, which I got from Home Goods this year, and some beautiful stemless wine glasses with the bling on the bottom. And lastly, here I am creating napkin pockets for my silverware. And that brings us right to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed this budget-friendly tablescape that I've put together for you today, and that it gives you inspiration. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.